A worker was working near a material conveyor belt. He found that some materials were stuck at the conveyor belt. When he removed the materials by hand, his hand was trapped by the nip between the conveyor belt and pulley. The worker was dragged into the nip, resulting in his death. Let's see the causes of the accident. The in-running nip between the conveyor belt and pulley was a dangerous part, but was not installed with a guard. How to prevent the accident? The in-running nip between the conveyor belt and pulley shall be installed with an effective guard to prevent workers from being trapped by the nip. Where temporary removal of the guard is required during inspection or maintenance of the machinery, the power supply of the machinery should be switched off. The switch box should be locked and a warning notice displayed before removing the guard. When the work is complete, the guard should be reinstalled before restarting the machine. All workers have to strictly comply with the safety rules and should not remove or interfere with the guard. If the guard is damaged, the machine should be stopped immediately and notify managing staff to arrange repair. Safety is a shared responsibility. Let's join hands to make the workplace safe.